Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing out there? This is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, coming to bring you a brand new video today to help you make more money while you're out there driving Uber and Lyft, guys. In today's video, I am actually going to speak about something that if you've been doing Uber and Lyft long enough, you should definitely know about this. Maybe you don't. And for those who are newbies, this is something you definitely want to learn because it happens to people all the time, guys. Now, this is not a situation that can get you deactivated, but it is a situation that can get money taken from you, guys. Now, here's the thing. Of course, we all know that the Uber and Lyft platform, the navigation on the platform is not the most accurate navigation versus like Google Maps and things of that nature, guys. But however, Uber and Lyft, they go by they go by where the pickup and drop off on these trips very closely, guys. And I understand that there are some times and things that can be a little out of whack, but here's the problem. Riders know that as well, and they use it as a way to scam you, a driver, out of your money, guys. And what am I talking about? I am talking about the pickup or drop off place versus where the actual I'm sorry, I should say this. The switch and bait of the pickup and drop off location points, guys. Now, what am I talking about, guys? You get an Uber request to go pick somebody up, or a Lyft request to go pick somebody up, and you're on the way going to pick that person up, and they shoot you a text, or they call you and say, hey, I am such and such, such and such, instead of what the actual pickup point is on your on the app where the GPS is taking you to. So, what do? Do you go directly to the place that they're saying that they're at when they should have actually put that in, or you actually go to the pickup point that's on the GPS, guys? Listen, you always go to that pickup point. You go to where that pin is. For one, it triggers a notification to the rider that you have arrived, versus you having to text them or call them and let them know that you arrived. It automatically goes through the algorithm on the system and sends them a notification that you have arrived to pick that person up. Now, that also lets Uber and Lyft know that you have arrived to pick that person up at the proper pickup point, guys. Now, don't get me wrong. Like I said, once again, Uber and Lyft's GPS system is not the greatest. So sometimes, a lot of times you might end up having to go around the corner, or maybe you might have to ride down to another house more or something like that to pick the person up, because the pin location is off from where the person's actually at. But the point is, you need to go to where that pin is so you can start the notification, guys. Because see, this is where the scam comes in at. You don't go to that pickup pin and you go directly to where that person's at and you pick them up. You take them where they're going, you drop them off. But because you did not go to that pickup location, they go and they send a message to Uber and Lyft, to customer service, and that customer service agency is that they never picked you up. That's what they're saying. I never was picked up. They started the trip, and they must have took somebody else, and so you're triggered and hammered and saying that you picked up the wrong passenger, and they refund the person that you actually picked up. They get refunded their money back because you didn't follow the right protocol when it came to picking the person up, guys. It happens all the time, and the people have tried to pull that scam on me. Now, when the last time somebody tried to pull that scam on me, the little girl, the young chick, she told Uber that I didn't pick her up, I picked somebody else up, and I was able to explain to them the whole situation, and they were able to actually go back. And let me tell you, guys, this is very important, because the customer service agents that work for Uber and Lyft, they really don't give a damn. If the customer calls in and make a complaint, they automatically give them the money back. So when that happened to me on Uber, I called them and said, hey, well, I went to pick, I won't say the person's name up, I picked the person up. She was the only person at the house. She told me she was going back to Baltimore, and then that's where she's from. And they were able to actually go back in and verify through her information when she signed up with Uber that I actually picked up the right person. You know, so it was able to be taken care of, and I got my money back. And they also hit her with a false claim fine, and I got that money too, guys. But my point is, they do this stuff all the time, and it's usually the demographic of people who usually do this is the people that's usually between the age of 18 to 25, because they want to get their money back. They don't want to pay for a ride, so they use this little deal to scam you out of your money. So you drive this person, you drop them off, everything's fine and dandy. They file a claim, they make a report, they take your money back. It's a really crappy situation, guys. So the best way to avoid that situation happening to you is, I don't care what they're saying, you go to the pickup pin to initiate that trigger to send to that rider that you have arrived. Okay, guys? And then when you're on the way going to take that person where they're going, if they start saying to you that this is not my pickup point and it's someplace way off base, then you go to the actual drop-off point. I'm sorry, the drop-off point is way off base from where the person is saying they're going. You go to the drop-off point, and at that time, if that's not the correct drop-off point, you can always edit it to put in the correct address to take them where they're going. Never ever take that person directly to where they want to go versus the drop-off point, because once again, they can use that as well to scam the system to get their money back, guys, and you lose your money, guys. And that is the name of the game. They will do it to you all the time, guys. I'm telling you, if you don't do this, you're going to leave money on the table, and they're going to take it from you every single time, guys. All right, guys, that's the end of that. I hope you take that. I hope you take this lesson very well and heed to this, because you will get your money taken from you. Best believe it. Anyhow, guys, enough of that. You got the lesson for the day. If you think this video was very beneficial to you, make sure that you give me a thumbs up on this video. Also, click the subscribe button on my channel so you can get content when I put new content out. Better yet, once you click subscribe, click on the bell right beside the subscribe button so that you get, not only you get the content, but you get a notification on your phone. You get an email in your inbox letting you know when I put out new content, guys. Also, if you are a current Uber or Lyft driver and you signed up directly to corporate and you were not able to take advantage of the bonus that comes along when you sign up with another driver, you can go to the links in the description below this video, sign up with the information that you use to sign up to get started with Uber and Lyft anyway, because we don't want to do any funny business, no scamming here, guys. And then you may be able to get the bonus retroactive paid back to you. If you don't, oh well, it's all good. You're still making money anyway. Now, if you are a new person looking to do Uber and Lyft and you want to get that bonus, guys, you can go to the same links in the description below this video, get signed up, and after you take so many trips, they will give you a bonus. So it's like making money on top of money on top of money for doing what you're doing anyway, which is driving people and making money, guys. Anyhow, that's it for now. Desmond the Rideshare Whisperer, I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye for now.